In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can reset Windows 11 back to fresh install. Before we start the video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Let's jump to the computer screen. Okay, so here you can see on the screen I have Windows 11 and I'm going to reset this back to normal. So what you're going to do, I'm going to give you 5 to 6 steps how you can do that, and I will mention everything in the description of this video as well. So first of all, you're going to do press Windows and then I, and then you will see the home page, the home setting page for your Windows, and I'm trying my best to keep the result as best as possible because I'm recording this from my phone screen. I cannot use screen recorder because I'll need to reboot the system, and I don't have anything like IPMI, like servers has IPMI or iDRAC, something like that. It's a desktop computer. So you're going into the system tabs. Let me just try to get the clear result of this one, and then here you will find a recovery option. Here you need to just scroll down a little, and then you can see here recovery. So it says reset, advanced, startup, and go back. Then you need to click on that one, and on this page you will see fix problem without resetting PC, and then fix problem using Windows Update. And the third option under the recovery options, you can see it's reset this PC. So I'm going to choose this one, reset this PC, and once I click on this one, I will see these two options. Keep my files, so that way remove apps and setting but keep your personal files. I don't want everything to be removed from this one, so I'm going to select this one, remove all of your personal files, apps and settings, and then it's going to get it ready. And then you see we have two options, cloud download or local install. I don't have any ISO for Windows 11 in local. If you select local, then you'll need to choose the ISO from your local machine. So I'm gonna do cloud download. So it's if cloud download can be more than 4 GB. So if you have a good internet connection, it shouldn't take that long. So I'm gonna click on this one, and then you can see I have these three options: go back, next, or cancel. So still you have like option to go back if you want to, or you can click next, as I'm going to click next. So it's getting started. I'm gonna pause the video here. Okay, so now it says ready to reset this PC, and there is the warning: resetting will remove all the personal files and the user accounts on this PC. Remove any changes made to settings. If you have like changed settings of like let's say LCD or anything in the settings, it will remove that as well. And then after that, there is remove all applications and programs, whatever you have installed. Like on this server, on this machine, I have OBS and Almy partition, so it will remove everything from this one, and it's going to download and reinstall Windows as I selected. Do it from the cloud, and this will take, sorry, I don't know what's wrong with the LCD. Okay, and this will take a while, and your PC will restart. Cloud download can be more than 3.96 GB, so that's almost 4 GB. And then as I click on reset, so status downloading, it automatically started downloading, I guess, and it's on 30%. So once it's done, I'll show you what it shows after that. Okay, so the downloading status is almost 59%, and then after that this system will be restarted, and it should show me the OOBE, that means out of the box experience. So that's something what you see when you have a new computer or newly installed Windows 10 or 11, where you set up the enterprise setting or express setting and your Microsoft account and other stuff as well. Okay, so it's on 100% completed and it should restart in this computer now. It's still loading. Okay, so it's restarting now and says updates are underway. Please keep your computer on. So just make sure you don't turn off your computer if it's taking more time. It will take 25 to 30 minutes. Even I have 500 Mbps connection, but still it took like 22 minutes almost. Okay, so now it changed the status. It says now you are at 30%. Please keep your computer on. So previously it was not showing any percentage. Now it started to show the percentage. Okay, and it showed restarting. So now it's rebooting one more time, I guess. Okay, it shows the main BIOS logo of this computer, AMI, and it shows please wait on the end. I just hooked up my phone with a tripod, but it's not completely covering the whole screen. But if there is something I need to show, I'll show you. I'll just hold my phone, it's okay.